Good Friday, everyone. Thanks for stopping by Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and we're going to wrap up this last Friday and the last day of the week here with the daily video forecast discussion for Friday, the 30th of May, 2014. And the sun's up and skies are clear across northeastern New Jersey and parts of the lower Hudson Valley. Still have some low and mid-level clouds across the interior Connecticut and also across central and southeastern Pennsylvania and southern New Jersey this morning. But these are mid-level clouds as there's a little moisture trapped in the mid and low levels of the atmosphere. All this is going to burn off, and today is going to be a pretty nice day, but albeit showers and thunderstorms will race from northwest to southeast across portions of the lower Hudson Valley, northern New Jersey, New York City, even possibly to the coast this afternoon. They'll be isolated and scattered, but don't be surprised if you're caught under one of these during late this afternoon and this evening as the heating of the day gets going and a cold front makes its way across the region. Temperatures are quite nice this morning. They're starting off in the low to the mid 50s just about everywhere, and the dew points are generally in the upper 40s to lower 50s as well. Latest visible satellite pass this morning shows the mid and upper level cloud deck, mostly mid-level and low-level cloud deck across the area this morning, and these are beginning to erode as we find breaks in this overcast here across many areas across northwestern New Jersey into the city now, central and southern New Jersey, the coast, and all of this is going to clear out, and it's going to be a really nice day today. The water vapor channel showing dry air mass in place as high pressure is in control. Upper trough and cold front will move through this afternoon. Really nothing going on the radar right now, but some of these showers and thunderstorms developing here will move southeast through the area during this afternoon and early this evening before the skies clear out and a beautiful, beautiful weekend is in store. We don't have any ocean or land advisories here for the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area or down to Philadelphia. We do have a few of these in the back bays here. Small craft advisories in effect until, I'll pull this up once again. Small craft advisories in effect now for basically these areas here along the Delaware and the Chesapeake here, and these are for winds at 18 to 33 knots. Small craft advisories in it from 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Saturday. And back in here, we do have some advisories as well, which are not showing up here. Here they go. Coastal flood advisories in effect until 1 p.m. this afternoon. Tidal anomalies between 1 and 1.5 feet above normal, and a few times in the next high tide cycle in the Chesapeake Bay across this region here, and also the Potomac River. Timing near high tide this morning. Expected impacts will be some minor coastline inundation. And there are no delays at the airports as well this morning. Pollen will continue to be in the medium to high range today right through early next week, and this is due to grasses and oak. Things looking pretty good this morning. Maybe a little bit of MVFR and some IFR here in southeastern Pennsylvania. Here across the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area, it is basically VFR. We got some low areas of clouds and fog continue to move across early this morning. Improving conditions expected with VFR by this afternoon. Drier air aloft mixes down, scours out the low clouds, and skies will eventually become mostly sunny north and partly cloudy south. An isolated shower possible late this afternoon. And the outlook for tonight, basically VFR. The outlook for tomorrow through Monday, VFR. Monday night and Tuesday, a sub-VFR conditions. Monday night mainly due to fog, and on Tuesday, showers and thunderstorms. Right now, outside of Newark, New Jersey, it's 60 degrees, humidity 57%. The wind is out of the west, northwest at about 3, and broken ceilings at about 8,000 feet. VFR conditions. And for Philadelphia this morning, we have a little bit of haze, visibility 6 miles in that, temperature 58. Humidity 78%, the wind is northwest at 7, and MVFR conditions right now, but those will be improving shortly. Yesterday was a rather cool day, and temperatures were basically below normal by some 10 degrees. So this week has been one of those up and down weeks with temperature and weather. Here is the HRR model, rapid refresh for this afternoon, showing a cluster of these pop-up thunderstorms with the cold air aloft, and they'll be scattered like popcorn around the region and dropping south and east across the Hudson Valley into New York City, maybe southwestern Connecticut. Any of these showers will be brief, but they could produce some strong, brief wind gust and basically some light to moderate rain. We're not expecting any widespread conditions here. Maybe a little bit more of shower or cluster of thunderstorm activity across the interior portions of Connecticut out towards Rhode Island. and dropping southeast across the North Shore and also the South Shore of Long Island late this afternoon and this evening. A few of these also across the lower Hudson Valley into northwestern New Jersey. Could find one or two of these scattered across central and southern New Jersey into Philadelphia as well. Good news is that once this shower and thunderstorm and cold front move through the region, that's about it. The trough axis moves off the coast, high pressure builds in at the surface and aloft across the Great Lakes to the east coast. Drying conditions, downslope flow, northwest winds, upper low off the coast, blocking patterns still here, but high pressure here. And that's what's good news because temperatures tomorrow and Sunday just around seasonal levels in the low to the mid 70s tomorrow, mid and upper 70s on Sunday with some scattered cloud cover and beautiful conditions. Maybe a spotty outlet or shower reaching the coast as this low pressure band is apparently a little bit closer to the coast on some of the modeling, but most of this will probably just be east of the region. And therefore, only scattered cloud cover and sunshine through Saturday and Sunday. Pleasant conditions Monday, this last two, and then a cold front and storm system, a warm front, and then a cold front storm system begins to move across the region early next week, and that means more showers and thunderstorms and unsettled weather mainly on Tuesday and Wednesday. GFS maps into motion. Here is our cold front and dropping short waves in the flow. A few spotty showers and thunderstorms across the region that exits the coast, upper low, well off to the east of southern New England here. High pressure building in surface and aloft across the Great Lakes into the northeast United States, providing dry conditions. Beautiful sunshine and scattered clouds, near normal temperatures both Saturday and Sunday as the high continues to influence our weather. And then a warm front begins to set up early next week with a return southwest flow. And this brings us eventually into showers and thunderstorms, which will probably develop across the region during the day on Tuesday. First with the warm front and disturbances moving through, and then the cold front with the low itself across Hudson's Bay, Canada, dropping down through the mid-Atlantic coast states with showers and thunderstorms by Wednesday afternoon. That moves off the coast, and another disturbance with the leftover boundary here to our south, a zonal flow flattening of the ridge here, and basically a stalled out frontal boundary with waves of low pressure. And this is formidably going to provide us with the chance for additional precipitation in our southern zones, possibly late Thursday night and Friday morning as that scoots off. But high pressure is going to try to win out the battle across the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area early next week, where points to the south will continue to have very unsettled weather. Well, I'm short on time today, so that's it for this week. You have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you bright and early again on Monday morning. For Garden State Weather, I'm forecaster Robert Smith.